What? I'm doing my job. Yeah, we're at Bestway Bedding this morning. I got to test out the beds. How are you, everybody? Because the thing is, we spend so much time lying in bed, but there's so many of us that have crappy mattresses, hence we have crappy sleeps. So it's good to be at Bestway Bedding in St. Catharines with the mattress man himself, Mattress Mike. How are you, pal?
Good, brother. How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
Good. So how many years? How many years you been in this?
Here, 31 years.
31
been in the
years.
business 40 years. Started with my dad, you know, as a youngster in school, working on box springs on Saturdays and stuff like that. You know, gave me a good work ethic.
What's changed when it comes to beds?
Everybody
needs one.
Yeah.
Everybody needs a good one.
You know, if you go back to the old days, water beds were around for a while. Everybody was a hippie back then. and you know, there's different trends that go on. Futons were big a few years back.
I spent 4 years in a futon in university.
Yeah,
Right.
they were huge back in the day. So there's different things. The big thing now is a lot of mattresses coils have always been around, coil springs, but everyone's leaning towards foam, memory foam. Latex rubber is very popular. They're hypoallergenic, no dust mites, that sort of stuff.
Okay. Why are you guys so unique?
Well, one of the benefits is when you come here, we can actually see the consumer. So if you take, let's say, two guys that are 250 pounds, right? A big guy at 6'6" and a shorter guy at 5'6". You got visions of two different people. The shorter guy would have more weight in his abdomen area, right, and he might need a little bit more support through the center third, so he's not sinking down into the mattress. So
it does matter to the type of individual you are: small, big, tall, short.
Absolutely. Boys and girls are different. You know, you have guys have a straight hip line, girls have a curvier hip line.
This is a comfy one.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you, like, softness levels? Right. Everybody likes it a little bit different. Like, where would this one be?
This is going to be a plusher feel. Probably we go from a 0 to a 5. So
okay.
0 being plush, 5 being extra firm. This one's going to be around a 2.
Around a 2.
Yeah.
What do you like personally?
The one you're on.
This one. Am I lying on your bed?
Yeah. I have the adjustable ones, but I use that mattress.
This is the type of mattress. Okay, so let's go from. So this is a 2 out of 5. You say? What about something a little bit firmer?
A little bit firmer. We'll go the one right beside it. Yes. Okay.
This would be a what?
That's going to be around a 3. 3 and a half. Okay.
Yeah, there is a difference there, but still nice.
Yeah, and then if you
is this what customers just come in and do and lie on the bed?
Yeah.
That's what you want them to do, I guess, right?
Absolutely. Like you say, there's different reasons, you know, to make a mattress firmer. Boys and girls budgets, you know, if you have a certain budget, you have a mortgage and you have a car payment and you got 3 kids you're buying mattresses for.
Right, but what is more expensive? Is it firmer or
no cost difference. It goes by the quality of the components we use to upholster the mattress.
Gotcha. Okay. Let's go. Do you have a 5? Where's a 5?
Right here.
Something, this guy here?
Yeah. Oh! That's firm. That's extra firm. So some people like that really firm, hard support.
What does a firm? Oh man, this.
Well, if you got a really big guy, because the firmness is determined by the amount of weight. Like if you have, let's say, 3 couples, and there's a heavy set couple where the guy is 300 pounds and the girl's 200 couples, and then there's an average couple, say a guy at 2, a girl at 150, and then a petite couple. Maybe the girl's only 100 pounds, the guy's 150 pounds, and all 3 of them lay on the mattress, the same mattress. All 3 of them are going to say different firmnesses. The heavy couple is going to say, oh, this seems kind of soft because of the amount of weight that's on it. The petite couple is going to say it's firm because there's not a lot of weight pushing down on either the coils or the memory foam.
Everybody's a little bit different.
Right.
Okay.
Firmness is determined by the amount of weight.
I know you're second generation. Your son, Malcolm. Malcolm, give us a wave, buddy. There's third generation. We'll get to know Malcolm because you guys are really unique because you're making the beds in-house.
Absolutely.
Everything is made in-house. So we're going to be exploring. We'll go to the back. We'll check it out after I test out every single one of them. And May's a big month, the Bestway Bedding, because it's Customer Appreciation Month. So you want to come and see Mike and the whole gang, see what they got for you. Ooh, yeah. No. No. Hey. There's nothing better than a good night's sleep. I wouldn't know anything about it because I work on a morning show, so I don't get much sleep, but it is important. So it's good to have a good bed for you, and that's what we're doing here at Bestway Bedding in St. Catharines with the main man, Mattress Mike. So we want to kind of show the whole process.
Yeah.
Right? We're in the front. We showed the beds off the top. What's happening back here?
So this is where all it starts. The cutting and the sewing of the fabrics. Different fabrics we use. We want to try to stay as green as possible. We use organic cotton material, natural bamboo. It makes the mattress more breathable. Some people sweat when they sleep.
So do people have options? Like, is this every option?
Absolutely. If you picked a mattress that had bamboo on it, you say I would rather have the organic cotton. Absolutely, no problem.
What's the difference between bamboo and?
So the bamboo is made with a pulp. The bamboo pulp, there is a blend on it, and there's higher grams per square meter. So the higher it is, the more bamboo they use in it, and it just gives it better breathability.
Somebody that does sweat?
Yeah.
This is better than cotton.
Yeah, I would go with the organic cotton is the best for sure.
Yeah,
it's been around. Yeah, cotton t-shirts.
Price difference?
Nope.
No. Okay. Shout out. We got Larissa. Morning, Larissa. We got Cindy. We got Dorothy doing their thing. What are the ladies doing here?
So there's different processes they go through. Larissa's sewing handles on the side of the mattress, which will make you rotate it to lift it up.
To move it around. It's easier to do that.
It's good to rotate the mattress to get more even wear because a guy weighs more than a girl or vice versa, and you get our body is kind of not exactly center third, so it's important to rotate your mattress every couple of months. Cindy's doing zippers, so the cover will actually zip right off.
Okay.
And Dorothy's doing box springs.
Box spring. Is there one most important thing in a bed? Is it box springs? Is it like
the box spring has a huge effect on the performance of the mattress, and nobody pays attention to the box spring. But we'll talk about that.
Yeah,
later.
we're got that coming up. What are you doing with excess? Like when you have extra foam?
We try to be as green as possible with the organic cotton and the bamboo, but if we have extra material, we actually take it and we would shred it up.
Okay. So what's that?
So this is actually latex rubber. It's a natural product. We'll talk about this later. We would actually put it in our shredding machine, shred it up, and we will use it to make some of our pet beds because pets are part of the family and we want the pets to get a good night's sleep as well.
Because what would happen to this if you're not doing
Otherwise, it'd go to landfill. We don't want that. So,
in the landfill.
absolutely, we do that. We're good to go.
Okay.
And it's
And then each one of your beds has a name?
Yes, yeah. And we tried, and this is kind of fun. One's called the Canuck, one's called the Muskoka, one's called Peggy's Cove. Are you getting the Canadian theme?
Gotcha. And is there different styles between each of these beds?
Absolutely.
Am I pressing that?
Yeah.
I can press that, and this is the kind of in action.
That's one of the Bamboo 1200 series that we make. And we have the Canuck, which is one of our pocket coil lines.
Awesome. Okay, May's a big month for you because it's Customer Appreciation Month. I know 25% off one of these custom beds, and you want people to come in and test these out because there's so many trends, and one of the trends you're seeing them rolled up in a box, and they arrive at your house, and you don't really know what you're getting. So
right.
That's what's great about Mike and the whole gang here. We'll come back, and we'll get into that box spring talk, and what else are crucial to getting that good night's sleep. Bestway Bedding, St. Catharines on Morning Live. Well, what do you look for when you're looking for a good bed? Box spring would be one thing. We're really kind of getting a behind-the-scenes look at how your bed is made because that's what Bestway Bedding is all about because they're making the bed in-house with mattress. Mike, Colin, what is Colin doing for us here, Mike?
Right now he's working on one of the box springs. So the box spring has a huge effect on the performance of the mattress and nobody really pays attention to the box spring. So for example, out in the mattresses, if you wanted a softer feel, you'd want a softer box spring, something that has a little bit of give to it. If you wanted a really firmer support, you might want to go with a solid foundation like this, which is an all wood construction with a Mendy board hardboard top. And that'll give the mattress, so when the coil's squished to the mattress, the box spring has no
What's
give.
the comfort difference between just a hardwood like that or like something like
firmer, softer?
Firmer, softer. Expensive? Pricier?
It's very close. They used to be cheaper to go this way, depending on how you construct it, but the price of lumber has gone up.
Okay, so these are some box springs.
These are coil springs for mattresses as well. So
okay. Are there different sizes?
Yes, so this would be a 312 coil, and this is a 510 coil. So that would be based on a double. That means a double has exactly 510 coils. A queen would have more, a single would have less. It's the diameter of the coil and the gauge of the wire.
Better than another?
The more coils that are going in it are going to make the spring a little bit firmer.
Okay, so we've gone from that step to this step.
Yes, this is a pocket coil. Remember how we talked about maybe something needs a little bit firmer support through the center? The coils in this one are firmer.
Oh, here.
Yeah, from your shoulders to your buttocks, you got a firmer support. And also around the perimeter, we put a firmer edge support. So it has double edge support along the side. Then we have a border wire that we put onto each coil. That makes the firmer support. So it's two supports, and then we have the edge guard, which you put the edge guard in like this, teeth around it.
Who knew all this stuff. Okay. So
And
that's step. We're moving along
Triple-edged
quickly here
support.
because we want to see the whole gamut. What's all this? This is what goes on top of that box spring.
Yeah, on top of the mattress.
On top of the mattress. that
Right.
is.
So what happens, there's different ways you can do it. There is Serene memory foam, which is the best memory foam on the market. It's breathable, durable, less motion transfer. Latex rubber does the same thing. Help ventilated for air to flow through, which is nice. Then you have your soy-based foam, which comes in a softer or a firmer as well.
This is where we were talking that 0 to 5.
Right.
This
So
is where you're getting the more
this a
5 here.
Right.
And
this,
you're
this
getting.
would be like a 2. See,
And then
softest?
that's what you're getting
right
right there.
Right.
Okay. Step along.
The handles for rotating, which is
Okay.
important.
We got your son Malcolm here.
Yeah,
Hey,
Malcolm's-
Malcolm. What's Malcolm doing?
He's putting one of the final steps on, which is closing the top of the mattress. So this particular mattress is called the Oasis.
So the Oasis. So what do we have in there?
So on this one, you have the latex rubber and the Serene memory foam in the top, and down in here is a very firm. So that's a firm support underneath. You sink into it 4 inches, and then get a firmer support.
How key is it for somebody to be able to custom make their mattress, to really pick out exactly what they want?
Absolutely.
Because we're buying wrong mattresses for ourselves.
Yeah. So there's there's all sorts of reasons to pick a mattress. If you, let's say you sweat a lot, you want something organic that breathes better, or you need something, maybe one side of the mattress firmer, one side of the mattress softer, because your wife likes a little firmer support and you want a little plusher support, well, you can do that. There's ways to adjust it.
Month of May, customer appreciation here at Bestway Bedding. Been in business over 30 years at St. Catharines. Pretty neat. We'll come back with more on Morning Live. You're looking at me again. Honestly, it's been like 2 segments. It's been all, I did it at the start, and like this is the last segment, so I thought I could maybe lie down again. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Bestway Bedding. My good pal, Mattress Mike. This is a good one. What's this one here?
That's a soy-based foam with the natural bamboo fabrics, good for breathability. It's a medium firm, a little bit of a firmer support, but it's nice. Nice and light to rotate and flip.
So you've been in business over 30 years. You do, I don't know, residentials, right? You have residential, but you're also commercial side too.
We do a huge commercial side. So we do a lot of mattresses for some people, like motels and like Great Wolf Lodge. We do universities like McMaster and Brock. We do all the ships that go through the canal, CSL Logoma. We do hospital mattresses that are vinyl, all sorts of stuff. B&Bs, I know Jupiter Inn you've been to.
Yeah. What about even like RVs?
Yeah, we do boats and RVs. Neptune Yachts is a big customer of ours. They build the yachts. They're very $2-3 million yachts, and our mattresses are in there.
We talked about a trend that we're seeing is the roll-up mattresses.
Yeah,
bed
in a box.
Bed in a box, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Do you guys do that?
We can absolutely do that. We prefer not to do it because we want you to come in and lay on it. When you order a bed in the box, you don't know how firm it is. You can't lay on it. We will absolutely if you want us to roll it up and ship it to you, we'll, but we would rather you come in, lay on it, and we'll bring it right to your door and set it up.
Okay, what's this baby here?
These are the adjustable beds, lifestyle beds. Some people refer to them. You can raise the head, you can raise the foot. Some of them have massage, USB ports. So if you're working from home, Tim, like sometimes you were, you could actually work in your bed.
Actually, my parents just got one of these, and they love it.
Yeah.
Because even as you get, I don't know, older, and
I have them.
different aches and pains.
They're absolutely. If you have like acid reflux, your head needs to be elevated for good for breathing. Right. There's a vibrating massage, which is great for circulation. I know my father-in-law, he puts the massage on his every morning to get his blood circulating, his heart rate going. He has more energy in the morning. So there's different reasons.
Could use a pillow here, Mike. Could use a pillow. What's a good pillow?
There's all sorts of pillows. I think the one pillow I really like, and this is just me, is the organic latex pillow. Like you see it in the mattress earlier. I'll show you one. Breathable. You ever flip your pillow over in the middle of the night because it's cool on the other side?
Love the cold side of the pillow.
You gotta like the cold side of the pillow. Well, these pillows here, they actually have the breathability of the latex. So it's actually poured into a mold, okay? They come in different firmnesses, medium, plush, firm. So
if I use it, do I gotta buy it?
You can use it.
That's a yes. That's a yes, and that's fine. Because
get a work order ready, Courtney.
Well, luckily it's customer appreciation sale.
It is 25% off everything.
All right, and there's the pet beds that we were talking about. That
one of
we
these.
got a little dog. We got a little dog model.
Come on, Mook. Hop up in this puppy. Oh, hey, how's it going? You want to lay down, take a nap? Yeah, that boy. Yeah, hey, Mookie. He's the star of the show.
Mike, good seeing you, pal.
Great. Thanks for coming down, guys.
Cheers, man.